I'm Clifford Blake, Deputy Commissioner of Police with responsibility for the Strategic Operations Portfolio of the JCF, and this is my personal invitation to you to join us at the JCF Transformation 2023 Our People, Quality and Technology Expo. Come and learn more about how we are utilizing cutting-edge policing technologies and quality management systems to improve our service delivery to you. This expo will be an unforgettable experience for you, your family, friends, and loved ones. So, make it a date to join us at the National Arena in Kingston between May 11 and 14. We are a force for good.